Hey everyone, my name is Tristan. You're watching TST Cards. And today, boom, we are Luis Robert hunting. We have 4 of these value packs of 2020 Topps Chrome, and we're looking for the big guy, the man himself, Luis Robert, and his rookie card. Hoping we can find it today. Have pulled 1 so far. Each one of these value packs has 3 Chrome packs and the 5-pack pink parallel. So far, honestly, I'm liking these value packs over any of the other retail format this year. They're the cheapest. They're $10, $10.98 at Walmart. Compared to the hanger box, which is like $16, and the blaster, which is $22. And these packs seem to be juiced. I've been pulling some autos out of here, and these pink packs are really good. And I think they look better than the sepia, in my opinion. So we're going to be opening up 4 of these bad boys today, and we'll see what we can find. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe if you enjoy Topps Chrome content. Post as much as I can, so if you want to support the channel, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get right into it. Got this first value pack of the day. Bryce Harper. German Marquez, Logan Allen. This card's stuck. It is a Jonathan Villar or VR refractor card. The card was they were stuck together, kind of like glued, like some old cards. Alrighty, Willy Adames. Rowdy Tellez. Got a Jeff McNeil. And an Andrew Heaney. This is a Prism refractor. Out of that. Ooh. There we go, baby. That's what I like to see. Adalberto Mondesi. Dansby Swanson, Zach Gallen, which is a pretty good rookie card. And there we go, baby. 1985 design, Luis Robert. It's like a 50 yard card right now. It's just absolutely insane. Hyped for that. And the pink parallel version, last I checked, is going for about 200. So hopefully we can get a big rookie out of the pink. Maybe a Jordan. Kyle Lewis, Bo Bichette, Luis Robert. Let's see if we can find Tyler Glasnow, Chris Bryant, Nola, Jordan Yamamoto, and Anthony Santander to end off the pack. Right there. On to the next value pack. Cannot argue with that last one. I mean, anytime you can pull Luis Robert, I think it's a good value pack in my book. On to the next one. Let's see what we can get. Nice AJ Puck rookie card. Dan Vogelbach. Aaron Savale rookie. And there we go. That's a nice card right there. Freshman Flash, Bo Bichette. I like that. Good looking card. That's honestly one of my favorite looking inserts in a while. That Freshman Flash just looks sweet. And look at that. Yordan Alvarez rookie card right there. Carlos Santana. Scherzer. And then Juan Soto 1985 design. But yeah, that freshman flash insert set just looks so clean. With like the lights, or like, you know, the white lights in the background. We have a Marcus Semien, Bogarts, Jesus Luzardo, who's a good rookie right there, and a Christian Yelich refractor. Onto our second pink pack. Come on, baby, let's give us a good rookie. We have Chris Paddock. That's a good one. Travis Demeritte. I'll take that. Dan Vogelbach. Let's go, baby. Yordan Alvarez pink. And a Carlos Santana. Got a pink Yordan Alvarez. That is sweet. Like I said, yeah, you hope to hit a big rookie out of those pink refractor packs, because man, they go for a pretty penny, and they're just great looking cards in my opinion. On to our third value pack. Got a Josh Hader, Max Kepler, Eugenio Suarez, and a Zach Gallen Prism. That's a pretty nice card right there. Zach Gallen Prism. I'm liking that. Rookie card, rookie pitcher for the Diamondbacks. Looks like we got a die cut. Cody Bellinger, Albert Pujols, and got the let's see if I can pick this up. A little die cut piece fell out onto my table. See if it fits in there. Yeah, I mean they're leaving the die cut pieces in the packs, so you can put them back together. Got a Hank Aaron runs created die cut, and a Rafael Devers refractor. Second to last pack of this value pack. Got an Anthony K rookie, Trey Turner, nice Fernando Tatis Jr., and let's go, baby, Aristides Aquino refractor. I'll definitely take that. That is sweet. Man, so far so good on these value packs. And we still got this pink pack and one more to go. If we could pull a pink Luis Robert, that would be ridiculous. Danny Jansen, Jorge Soler, Ramon Laureano, Kyle Seager, and an Isan Diaz to end off that pack. Onto our last value pack. Honestly, more than happy so far. We've gotten some really sweet cards. See if we can keep it going. Alrighty. We have a Jordan Yamamoto, Anthony Santander, David Peralta, and a Lucas Giolito Prism refractor card. Got a good 1985 design right there. Yordan Alvarez, Andres Munoz, Juan Soto, Tommy Edman, and Yordan Alvarez 1985. I see every single time I pull a Yordan Alvarez and then I see a Jordan Yamamoto picture card, I always want to say Yordan Yamamoto. I always catch myself every single time. It never fails. Robo Garcia, rookie. Pablo Lopez. Got a Tim Anderson. And an Aaron Judge refractor. I'll definitely take that. Last pink pack. Let's hope for some good rookies. Let's pull some fire out of here. Let's see what we got. Eugenio Suarez. Got an Albert Pujols. Tyler Glasnow. Harold Ramirez. And Liam Hendricks to end off that pack. All in all, really good video. I mean, got some really good cards. Got that Aristides Aquino refractor. Pink Yordan Alvarez. 1985 design Luis Robert. Got the base chrome Yordan Alvarez. Got the sweet Aaron Judge refractor. And our 1985 design Yordan Alvarez, as well as a bunch of other really sweet rookies. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.